Welcome to the Mississippi Express Pass System User Tutorial videos. This video will guide you through navigating the shopping cart in Express Pass at permits.mdot.ms.gov. This and other tutorial videos can be found on the login page via the Express Pass Tutorial Videos link. Once a permit application has been approved by an MDOT user or has been self-issued by Express Pass, the permit will be available for purchase in the shopping cart. Approved permits will remain in the shopping cart until they are purchased or until their start date. Permits not purchased by midnight of the requested start date will be automatically canceled at midnight and given a no payment status. These permits will no longer be available for purchase and a new application will need to be submitted. The shopping cart can be accessed from the shopping cart button or from the shopping cart link. The shopping cart button is located directly on the company dashboard and provides a summary of what is in your shopping cart awaiting payment. The shopping cart link is located in the Admin Links panel on the left side of the company dashboard and provides detailed information regarding permits available for purchase. To purchase permits in your shopping cart from the shopping cart button, click the shopping cart button on the company dashboard to display the summary, and then click the Go to Cart link or the Pay for All Permits link. Clicking the Pay for All Permits link will bring users directly to the Pay for Permits screen to begin the payment process. Clicking the Go to Cart link or clicking the Shopping Cart link in the Admin Links panel will direct users directly to the shopping cart to purchase permits. The permits ready for payment and/or printing screen will be displayed. From this screen, you can click the View Permit button to view the permit details or the Cancel Permit button to cancel the permit. Check the Pay checkbox above each individual permit to be purchased or check the Select All Displayed Permits checkbox to select all permits in the shopping cart. The Order Total section will display the total dollar amount of the permits selected for payment. To pay for the permits selected, click the Pay Now button. The Pay for Permits screen will be displayed. Verify the permits listed for payment are those that were selected for purchase. Click the Pay for Verified Permits button to continue the payment process, or click the Cancel button to return to the company dashboard. Once clicking the Pay for Verified Permits button, the payment information screen will be displayed. Select the payment method from the Select Payment Method drop-down list and click the Submit button to be redirected to the credit card processor site. Continue processing through the payment screens, entering the required information. If paying by a credit card and the card is declined or the transaction is canceled from the credit card processor site, the permit will be on hold for 5 minutes and unavailable in the shopping cart until the 5-minute hold time has expired. After the 5-minute hold time has expired, you must go back into the shopping cart to continue the payment process. Please note that all payments are final and no refunds will be issued. When the payment transaction is complete, click the Return to Express Pass dashboard to return to Express Pass. On the Issued Permit screen, the issued permit will be listed as a hyperlink. Clicking the Permit Number hyperlink will display the permit PDF. Review the permit information, and the permit can also be printed from the screen. Issued permits can be copied from the Issued Permit screen by clicking the Copy link next to the Issued Permit number. This will start a new permit and retain the same information as the issued permit, but allow users to change permit application information as needed. Click the Order Another Permit button to begin a new blank permit application. Click the Return to Dashboard button or the Dashboard link to return to the company dashboard. Verify the permits are displayed on the company dashboard with the status of issued or issued prior. Once the permit is issued, it can be accessed by the Permit Number hyperlink on the company dashboard. Additionally, the permit will be delivered to you via the delivery method chosen during the permit application process. Another option to view and print the permit PDF is by clicking the Select link in the action column to the right of the issued permit and then selecting the View Permit option. This will display the permit details containing all the permit information. Click the Docs PDFs tab and scroll to the bottom where the permit PDF hyperlink will be displayed. Click on the Open hyperlink in the View column to view the permit PDF and print the permit. To print a no-charge permit, click the Shopping Cart button and then select the Go to Cart link, or click the Shopping Cart link in the Admin Links panel. A no-charge permit will go to the shopping cart once it is approved and before it is issued. Check the Print checkbox above each no-charge permit. Click the Print Now button. Printing the permit is equivalent to issuing the permit. Additionally, the permit will be delivered to you via the delivery method selected during the permit application process. This concludes the Express Pass user tutorial video on navigating the shopping cart. Thanks for watching, and don't forget, more videos are available for your convenience.